So, welcome to all to my YouTube channel. Today is the 10th day of my 50 days challenge. We have not posting regularly about my proceedings or how I am doing this because just posting daily videos doesn't make any sense until and unless I show some changes in my body. But still, every now and then I'm posting this, and every single day a little bit of progress without losing hope and continuation, that is far better compared to any other thing. So I have stepped up now, and I'm daily doing all this. I'm daily completing my 10k steps every day, and that I have divided into two parts. First thing, I'll do 6 to 7,000 steps first, then I'll go to gym and I'll do the workouts. Initial 10-15 days I'll be doing a single part workout, and later I'll start doing double workouts. Double workouts in the sense I'll do exercises for two parts per day and I'll repeat it. So in a week twice I'll be targeting two parts. So currently I'm doing it for chest. Today's chest workout will be like inclined dumbbell press, that is 20 into 3 repetitions. After that, then it will be shoulder in butterfly machine, that is like even that is 20 into 3 repetitions butterfly machines. So after butterfly, then I did a seated chest press, that is also 20 into 3 repetitions, pushing up fast and slowly releasing it back. Then now I am doing the declined bench press with dumbbells. That will be little bit difficult for me after doing all those exercises, but still I'm going with it. Then I'll do the tricep dips and I'll be ending my workout. So I'll be posting my workouts again tomorrow. With that, one more thing is that I'll post once I gain something